The past weeks have been, well, intense to say the least. Deadlines at work, changing of environments, little things piling up. And I could feel myself getting off balance. But whenever this happens, I have a cure. One of the many ways I have to reset. One little thing that always brings me back to center. And today, we're doing exactly that. I won't spoil it yet, but trust me, it's exactly what I need. When everything gets too loud, this is where I come back to myself. Away from the noise, the crowded city, away from the rush. Just finding a bit of space again. So we're at this goat farm. One of my favorite animals in the world are goats. So whenever I feel stressed due to the city and work and everything, I just come here to kind of relax and just enjoy the company of the goats. It's amazing. And you get to purchase things they sell here, so let me take you with me.